Welcome back to Design Coach. In this video, I'll show you how to create a sportswear collection using our awesome online tool, Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online software for designing, customizing, and transforming product ideas into captivating 3D designs. On the platform, this design process is broken down into 3 simple steps: repurpose, remix, and render. Before we dive into the design process, let's explore the details of our upcoming collection. This time, we're focusing on a men's sportswear line. To kick things off, we'll research the latest sportswear trends for the season. Bold colors and prints are making a strong statement this year. For bottoms, athletic shorts, track pants, and joggers are essentials. For tops, raglan sleeves and crew necks are in demand, and features like mesh panels and adjustable waistbands are key. Let's also check out some Pinterest boards for additional inspiration. All right, we've gathered enough insights to move forward with our collection. Here's my reference board. I've selected elements like raglan sleeves and crew necklines, and I plan to incorporate mesh panels and color blocking for a dynamic look. For prints, I'll be drawing inspiration from these 2 patterns, and I've chosen this color palette to bring everything together. With all our prerequisites in place, we're ready to start the design process. Let's dive in. Step 1, repurpose. Before we get started, I'll lay out all my reference images here. Perfect. Now let's streamline the process by exploring the design library. Using the search bar, I'll look for tags like sportswear to find sketches that align with our vision. Repsketch offers a vast library of vector sketches contributed by professional designers within the community. I'm dragging the ones that best match my reference board. Step 2, remix. Now we have our base sketches ready on the canvas, so let's remix this to align with our design requirements. First thing first, let's navigate through the components pane and explore the graphics category for some graphic elements. Repsketch furnishes a repository of readily available design components, great for inspirations and speed of the customization. I'll drag this Sporty Dots one into our workspace. This one seems to align best with our reference designs. Next, I'll remove the back sketches and resize all my base sketches accordingly. Now let's edit the collection to match our color palette. The plan is to use light gray as the base color and neon orange for the mesh panels. Let's start editing our designs now, starting with this muscle t-shirt. First, I'll change the base color, then adjust the mesh panel colors. I'll duplicate the graphic pattern, resize it, and place it on the shoulders. I'll duplicate and flip it for the other side. Moving on to the sweatshirt, we'll apply the same color scheme from the t-shirt. I'll place the same graphic on the shoulders. For the sweatpants, I'll make similar edits as the sweatshirt, but overlap the orange panels with our graphic. Now onto the shorts. The colors remain the same. I'll layer the graphics with the orange side panels, similar to the sweatpants. For the hoodie tank, I'll keep the hood orange and the rest of the body light gray, placing the graphic along the seam line on one side, then duplicating it for the other. Moving on to the bottoms, I'll keep the shorts gray, fill the leggings with orange, and use the dotted graphic along the sides of the legging. Finally, for the accessories, I'll apply the same color edits across the board. Great, our design collection is ready now. Let's arrange our designs on a mood board template. To do this, I'll head to the Components pane and search for the mood board tag. This template looks good, so I'll drag it in. I'll then arrange and position the designs for a balanced presentation. Lastly, I'll rename our mood board. Using the text tool, I'll write Sportswear Collection in SS25 and adjust the font style using the text tool settings on the left. Perfect. To finish off, let's pull out a crowquist silhouette from one of the mood boards to display our designs. That's it. To conclude, proceed to the Design Properties section. Provide a name, description, and relevant tags for your sketch. Step 3. Render. Now it's time to transform your sketch into a stunning 3D image. Open the view page of your sketch and click this magic wand icon to unleash the AI capabilities. Customize or add a new prompt, hit Generate, and witness the magic. Experiment with different prompts to integrate your designs into tech packs or present them in your design meetings. That's how Repsketch swiftly turns your ideas into realistic images. Subscribe for more tutorials and feel free to share your questions or feedback in the comments section. And don't forget you can repurpose the streetwear mood board we just created by following the link in the description below.